Hello students, today we will discuss another important topic from equilibrium, that is ionic product of water and dissociation constant. Now according to Bronsted-Lowry concept, we know that acid is a substance which donates proton and base is a substance which accepts proton, and water can act both as an acid and as well as base. So water undergoes autoprotolysis. Autoprotolysis means it can donate proton and it can accept proton. तो water है और दूसरा molecule, another molecule of water. If we take two molecules of water, one will act as an acid, another one will act as a base. तो एक acid देगा, ये donate करेगा, you will get OH minus, and another one will act as a it will accept the proton and it will form H3O plus. So we will get the hydroxide and the hydronium ion. This is known as autoprotolysis of water. Water act as both as acid and base. One molecule will donate proton, another one will accept proton. Now in simple terms we can write H2O undergo dissociation and it forms H plus OH minus. Clear? Now we can write the dissociation constant for this or ionization constant for water. K will be equal to H plus OH minus upon H2. Clear? Now water is very weak acid or base. It is a very weak acid. The concentration decreases by very small amount. Means out of, if you are taking 1 mole, 0.00001 like this moles will dissociate. So we can take the concentration of water as constant. अगर water की concentration constant है, this is also a constant, we can bring them together. So Ki into H2O will be equal to H plus into OH minus. And this product of two constants, that is dissociation constant of water and the concentration of water, is known by another term, that is Kw. Kw is known as ionic product of water, and it is a very important term. You will find it many places in ionic equilibrium. So ionic product of water is the product of the concentration of hydronium ion or hydrogen ion and the hydroxide ion. This is the definition of ionic product of water. It is a product of concentration of hydrogen ion and hydroxide ions present in pure water. Now this equation is valid at all temperatures. And this is a true equilibrium constant. True equilibrium constant means it is a true equilibrium constant. It means that the value of Kw increases with temperature. अगर टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करेंगे तो Kw की वैल्यू भी इंक्रीज होगी. So this is Kw is equal to H plus into OH minus. Now experimentally it was found that at 25 degrees Celsius the concentration of H plus is equal to 10 power minus 7 molar. This is the experimental fact at 25 degrees Celsius. Clear? Now we also know that for pure water contains equal amount of H plus and OH minus ions. Clear? So concentration of H plus and OH minus is equal for a pure water. We can substitute the value here. Kw will be equal to H plus is 10 power minus 7. OH and OH plus are equal. So it will also be 10 power minus 7. So we get the value as 10 power minus 14 molar square. So this is the value of Kw. Kw is equal to 10 power minus 14. And this value is at 25 degrees Celsius. You have to remember this value, and it is the experimental data from this chapter which you have to remember. Kw is 10 power minus 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. Clear? Now what will happen at, we have written at 25 degrees Celsius, Kw is equal to 10 power minus 14. So if we calculate pKw will be minus log Kw, so it will be equal to 14. Clear? Now at temperature greater than 25, अगर टेम्परेचर 25 से ज़्यादा बढ़ाते हैं तो Kw की वैल्यू 10⁻14 से इंक्रीज होगी, मीन्स इट विल इंक्रीज, मीन्स -13, -12, -11, टेम्परेचर जैसे जैसे बढ़ाएंगे Kw की वैल्यू इंक्रीज होगी। तो pKw की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? pKw वैल्यू विल बी लेस देन 14। इज इट क्लियर? देखो pKw होता है Kw, इफ वी कैलकुलेट द पावर ऑफ दिस Kw, जहाँ भी ये P यूज करते हैं इट इज मीन्स पोटेंस और पावर ऑफ Kw, वी हैव टू टेक नेगेटिव लॉग, और नेगेटिव लॉग लेंगे तो 10⁻14 है, तो ये जो वैल्यू होगी इट इज माइनस लॉग 10⁻14. it will come here minus minus plus 14 log 10, and 14 log 10 is 1, so we will get 14 as a value. pKw 14 से कम आएगा क्योंकि ये इंक्रीज होगी, तो -12 -13 इस तरह से होगी, तो इससे कम हो जाएगी pKw की वैल्यू। एट टेम्परेचर लेस देन 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस Kw वैल्यू लेस देन 10⁻14। लेस का मतलब क्या हुआ? मतलब -14 से -15, -16, -17 लाइक दिस। तो pKw की वैल्यू क्या होगी? इट विल बी ग्रेटर देन 14। दिस यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, एंड समटाइम्स क्वेश्चन आर आस्क्ड एट अदर टेम्परेचर्स अदर देन 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस। तो pKw की वैल्यू 14 से ज़्यादा होगी या कम होगी, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट। Now, what is the dissociation constant of water? Can you calculate its value at 25 degrees Celsius? We know that at 25 degrees Celsius, Kw is equal to 10⁻14. And we know that Kw is equal to Ki into concentration of water. We have written here Ki into H2O gives Kw. तो ये हो गया, ठीक है। अब यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट आयनाइजेशन कांस्टेंट, डिसोसिएशन कांस्टेंट ऑफ वाटर, तो क्या हो जाएगा? Kw अपॉन H2O। नाउ व्हाट इज द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H2O? H2O की कंसंट्रेशन क्या होगी? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम। क्लियर? कैन यू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू नाउ? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स विल बी मास अपॉन मोलर मास इनटू वॉल्यूम। मास इज 18, क्लियर, सॉरी, मास इज, इफ वी आर टेकिंग वॉल्यूम इज 1 लीटर, तो 1 लीटर का मास कितना हो जाएगा? डेंसिटी इज 1 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, तो अगर 1 लीटर ले रहे हैं तो मास हो जाएगा 1000 ग्राम, 1000 अपॉन 18। सो व्हाट विल बी द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ वाटर? 1000 अपॉन 18। सो लेट अस राइट द वैल्यू 10⁻14 अपॉन 1000 अपॉन 18, तो 18 ऊपर चला जाएगा। व्हाट यू विल गेट? 1.8, 10⁻³ -17, you will be left with -16. So this is the ionization constant or dissociation constant of water at 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस। क्लियर? वाटर की कंसेंट्रेशन कैसे कैलकुलेट की? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम। मोलैरिटी में अगर हम वॉल्यूम 1 लीटर ले लेंगे तो ये नंबर ऑफ मोल्स के बराबर हो जाएगा ना। 1 लीटर वॉल्यूम का मतलब क्या हुआ? 1000 ml। तो मास क्या होगा वाटर का? 1000 इंटू डेंसिटी, डेंसिटी इज 1, सो 1000 ग्राम हो गया, and molar mass is 18. So 1000 upon 18 is the concentration. It comes out to be 55.5 molar. You have to remember this. So concentration of H2O is taken as 1000 upon 18 and it comes out to be 55.55 molar. For easy calculation we take this value. तो इसे calculation easy हो जाती है. Now can you calculate the degree of dissociation of water? Degree of dissociation of water. See, we have taken water H plus and OH minus. Suppose concentration is C, initial क्या होगी? 0. अगर alpha degree of dissociation है, we can write C1 minus alpha. I have explained the degree of dissociation in the earlier video. तो C1 minus alpha, it will be C alpha, C alpha. So we can write H plus is equal to C alpha. Alpha will be equal to concentration of H plus upon C. Concentration of H plus कितनी है? 10⁻⁷. What is the concentration of water? Concentration of water is 1000 upon 18, तो 18 ऊपर चला जाएगा. What you will get? Alpha will be equal to 1.8 इंटू 10⁻⁹। नाउ इतना कम होता है डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन, मतलब वाटर इतना कम टूटेगा H+ और OH- में. दैट्स वाई वी नेग्लेक्ट अल्फा फॉर वाटर. So in this topic we have calculated Kw. Kw you have to remember is 10⁻⁻14. This value you have to remember. We have calculated alpha for water 1.8 into 10⁻⁹, and all these values are at 25 degrees Celsius. Concentration of water is 1000/18 or 55.55 molar. And we have calculated the dissociation constant of water, that comes out to be 1.8 into 10⁻⁻16. Now let us solve two questions based on ionic product of water. Now in this question the ionic product of water is given 2.7 into 10⁻⁻14 at 310 Kelvin. Find pH of neutral water. So temperature 25 नहीं दिया हुआ, it is given 310 Kelvin. You have to find the pH of the neutral water. See, we have learned Kw is equal to H+ into OH-, and this is valid at all temperature. किसी भी temperature पे ये valid है. If we take minus log on both sides, minus log Kw minus log H+, ठीक है, माइनस ले लिया दोनों साइड में, और ये हो जाएगा प्लस माइनस लॉग OH-. वी हैव टेकन माइनस लॉग ऑन बोथ द साइड. माइनस लॉग Kw इज Pkw, minus log H+ is pH, minus log OH- is POH. So we have got this equation Pkw is equal to pH plus POH. P जहाँ भी यूज़ हो जाएगा किसी भी, ये दिस इज एन ऑपरेटर है, किसी भी फंक्शन के साथ आप इसे यूज़ करोगे तो दैट मीन्स माइनस लॉग ऑफ दैट वैल्यू. तो माइनस लॉग H+ pH, माइनस लॉग OH- POH, और बीच में प्लस है. नाउ इन दिस यू आर गिवन द आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर और तुम्हें pH फाइंड करना है. सो इट विल बी इजी यूजिंग दिस इक्वेशन. कैलकुलेट Pkw. Pkw इज इक्वल टू माइनस लॉग Kw इज इक्वल टू माइनस लॉग 2.7 into 10⁻⁻14. Now you must know certain rules of log. I will tell you here. Log a to the power b minus log a to the power b is minus b log a. ये जो वैल्यू है उससे पहले आ जाएगी, ठीक है. माइनस लॉग a, log a plus b is, और a into b is log a plus log b. Log a upon b is log a minus log b. ठीक है, तो ये है माइनस लॉग 2.7 इंटू 10⁻⁻14. इसे इधर लेके आएंगे तो माइनस माइनस प्लस, यू विल गेट 14 log 2.7. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 27 इन ज़ीरो. 27 की वैल्यू ज़ीरो में देखेंगे. यू विल गेट 0.43. So it will be, log 14 minus log, it will be 14 minus 27 की वैल्यू ज़ीरो में है 0.43. Now divide it, it will be 0.7513. Now you have to calculate pH. Now we know that न्यूट्रल वाटर दिया हुआ है तो pH will be equal to POH. ठीक है, तो वी कैन यूज़ Pkw इज इक्वल टू pH प्लस POH. तो pH क्या हो जाएगा 2pH and pH will be equal to Pkw upon 2. So it will be 13.57 upon 2. You will get 6.78. This is your pH. I hope it is clear. Let me explain. Pkw is equal to minus log Kw minus log 2.7 into 10⁻⁻14. ये जो माइनस है इंटू है, इसका मतलब प्लस होगा. सो log a इंटू बी इज log a प्लस log b. नाउ वी कैन राइट माइनस log 2.7 माइनस log 10⁻⁻14. अब ये माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा प्लस 14 log 10. log 10 is 1. So we have taken 14 here minus log 2.7. So I have written directly here 14 minus log 2.7, 14 minus 0.3, the value of 27. यहाँ पे जो डिजिट होगी ज़ीरो है तो ज़ीरो में देखेंगे 0.43 and pH and pOH are equal for neutral water. So we will take 2 pH is equal to pKw. pH will be equal to pKw upon 2. Coming to the next question, degree of dissociation of pure water is given. Find ionic product of water and its dissociation constant. H2O dissociates as H plus and OH minus ion. Degree of dissociation अगर C मोल से start कर रहे हैं, initially they will be 0. At equilibrium it will be C1 minus alpha, C alpha, C alpha. If you don't understand this, please go to the earlier video, watch degree of dissociation. Now you have degree of dissociation is given 1.8 into 10 power minus 19. You have to calculate dissociation constant. Let us calculate dissociation constant first. Dissociation constant of water will be equal to C alpha into C alpha upon C1 minus alpha. H plus into OH minus upon H2O. So C alpha into C alpha upon C1 minus alpha. ये cancel हो गया. What we get? C alpha square. Now alpha is very small. You can see 10 power minus 9. So alpha is very small as compared to 1. So we can take 1 minus alpha approximately equal to 1. तो ये हो गया H2 ionization constant of water. अब calculate करेंगे. H2O will be equal to, what is the concentration of pure water? 1000 upon 18. Alpha square is given 1.8 into 10 power minus 9 square. ठीक है. Why we have taken this value? To make the calculation easy. Otherwise we would have taken 55.55 molar. So 1000 upon 18 into 1.8 into 10 power minus 9 into 1.8 into 10 power minus 9. 0.1. ये कितना बचा? 1.8 minus 9 minus 18 minus 19 plus 3 minus 16. So this is the ionization constant of water. We have calculated dissociation constant. Now calculate ionic product. Kw is equal to KH2O into concentration of water. This we have learned. Ionic product क्या होता है? It is a product of concentration of water and the dissociation constant of water. Dissociation constant हमारे पास आया 10 power minus 16. Concentration है 1000 upon 18. So you will get 0.1. You will get 10 power minus 17 plus 3 minus 14. This is the Kw. Clear? So in this way you can solve the questions based on ionic product of water. That's all in this session. Thank you.